Hi students, today we are going to discuss edexcel October 2021 P4 WMA 14 pure mathematics paper. So that we have to discuss question number 9. The figure show the cylindrical tank is there. The diameter of the tank 8 meters because the radius 8 divided by 2 that should be 4 meters. Right. And that height 4.2 tank height, water flowing into the tank constant rate 0.65 cubic meter, 0.65 cubic meters per minute. There is a bottom of the T tap. Okay, the tap in the tank at T times tap has been opened. The depth of the water h meters, like this h meters. The water leaving the tank rate 0.15 h, leaving the tank minus 0.155 h. Okay, the minute. So then you can show that dh over dt equal 12 minus 3h over 320. This is the first part. This we know actually this is a constant rate water come and this is a leak a constant rate, right? So that the meaning dv by dt, dv just speed rate equal, this is first point, 0.65 minus 0. Now we are going to guess this 0.15 h. Okay. We know actually cylinder this is including water. Now this is radius 4. That's radius 4. So that cylinder volume pi r squared h. That should be pi radius 4. 4 squared means 16 times h. This is a v and h function. Then we can find dv by dh. Right. dv differentiate dv by dh equal 16 pi. Right. Now your question, what? So he need to dh by dt. You can see, no, dh by dt equal 12 minus 3h over 320. That's your first part, right? How to do this? That then you can arrange differentiation. This is a chain rule like this product, then you can use what? We know actually dv by dt. You are arrange dv by dh times dh by dt. This is a constant rate water follow dv by dt. Volume like pi r squared h. So dv by dh means 16 pi h. Then your question dh by dt. It's not hard. Okay. So dv by dt, that value what? 0.65 minus 0.155 h. 0.65 minus 0.155 h. This is dv by dt. So like dv by dh 16 pi times dh by dt. Right. Okay. we are going to raise this one. You know that all I explained, no? Right? Because this water come 0.65, this leak uh, 0.15ish. No, so dV by dt equal that sum of that value. This leak mean minus. We know actually the volume cylinder V equal pi r square h. Then the height you take h like water level. So V equal pi r square h. Then the difference stated dV by dh equals 16 pi. Then you will like chain rule like dV by dt equal dV by dh time dh by dt. So dV by dt equals 0.65 minus 0.15 pi h. Then 16 pi dh by dt. That's the method. Right. Now we are going to raise this. Yeah. That part. So the simplification carefully. Then we need to what? Yeah. Yeah, phi take outside dh by dt. Phi take outside. So brackets 0.6 minus 0.15h over what? 16 pi. Okay. So that pi cancel. Now we are going to raise this. So your denominator 320 is there. I think you are this planning and arrange the denominator. We need to this arrange this 320 that multiply 20 both numerator and denominator. So that dh by dt that value 0.6 multiply 20 minus 0.15h multiply 20 over 16 times 20. We know actually 0.6 times 20, 121 decimal, that should be 12. And minus 0.15 times 20, that 302 decimal, we have put that 3h over 320 dh by dt. Right. This is the first part. Then, given the depth of the water, right. Now this first part, okay. So second part, I think you are understanding. Okay, please follow this all these videos and everything. I will all this now smoothly explaining these my classes. Okay. Now these chapters and your textbook sums and everything. Right. So that second part, given the depth of the water 0.5 meter, that should be that 0.5 meter. When tap open, find the time taken reach to the 0.5. Find the time taken water reach to 3.5. So that I think that you can integrate. Okay, so dh over 12 minus 3h equal 1 over 320 dt. Right. So that you can integrate. Yeah. Now we are going to erase this all. That dh over 12 minus 3h equal 1320 dt. So your question, given the depth of the water in the tank uh, 0.5 meters. Right. Uh, find the time taken, the depth of the water 3.5. So that integrate open 0.5. Right. The given the depth of the water in the tank 0.5, tap open. Tap open mean like t equals 0. Right. Find the water reach to tank 3.5. 3.5 time. Okay. So we are going to raise these. Uh, right. Now this you can arrange. Denominator differentiation, numerator is there. You can use the log. Then you can arrange minus this denominator differentiation 12 minus 3h means 3. Then you can arrange 1 over minus 3. Put that integration 0.5, 3.5, that minus 3 dh over 12 minus 2h. Right. So 1 over 320, right? 0 to t dt. That's your method. Then you can write uh, minus 1 over 3. This is what log ln. Ln 12 minus 3h 0.5 to 3.5 and 1 over 320t 0 to t. I think you are use calculator and then you can find that value. I think this you have put that up and down change, that minus put 1 over 3 positive. Then this 0.5 top and bottom, that 3.5. This ln 12 minus that bottom answer use 1.5. Simplification, carefully do this, and minus that ln 12 minus 10.5. 1320 t. So then you can simplify 1 over 3 ln 12 minus 1.5 10.5 and that ln 12 minus 10.5. That should be 1.5. So answer come T. I think that ln 10.5 down 1.5. Right. Just enter. Okay, that value. Uh, let's use calculator and find 320 over 3 ln 10.5 over 1.5. That's the answer. Use calculator and find this because videos no now this data debate. Okay, I think this is a method. Okay, thank you so much. Watch my video. Let's use calculator that you can find. That minutes come your timing. You need to hour mean this divided by like 60, right? Not this hour means that. Okay, thanks so much. Watch my video. Then next video, next time I upload a next video. Thanks a lot. Okay, see you.